Hi there, it's Rebecca from Rebecca Art Tutor, back with another video. Now recently I made a video about pencil and I realised that there was quite a lot to say about pencil once I got into it. So the first video, which is called Drawing Basics Pencils, is just really about the grades and creating a tonal scale and just covers the absolute basics of what pencils can do. And really I've just scratched the surface. So I'd like to do a few more videos around how I use pencil, and one of them is something I really enjoy, and that is blending with pencils. So this video is going to cover the technique of blending and subtractive drawing. Now you might be wondering what on earth is subtractive drawing, because I did when I first heard that word. And basically it means taking away. So we work with subtractive drawing often with charcoal, but you can do it with pencil as well. It just basically means using an eraser to take away some of the graphite. So I'm going to show you some techniques that I have used with pencil where I've used blending, and I've also used erasers to take the graphite away, and also another technique where I combine charcoal and pencil together. So if that sounds interesting to you, let's get into the video. In this piece, I have actually used watercolour as the background, but then I have smudged charcoal, first of all, over the watercolour, and then I've also blended pencil into the watercolour and into the charcoal, and then I have drawn on top with pencil and pen. The houses that you see in the hills are formed by using an eraser to get whiter areas. This piece here is a piece which is actually digital, but the background, which is the trees, is actually blended pencil. It's a mixture of charcoal again and pencil, but some of the sort of ghostly soft blends I've used in the sky and in the trees is definitely pencil blending. This piece here is done completely with pencil and a rubber, and I use soft pencils which were very soft, like 6B, 8B, and I used a rubber to define the flower heads and then worked into it. It's actually not finished, but it's really lovely, I think, with the layers and also the kind of echo in the background with the layering of the pencil to get different tonal values. I'd like to talk about some of the techniques that I've used to gain these effects in my drawings. So first of all, let's talk about blending. What you see here is a blended graduation, and this is a really good exercise to do if you want to practice how to blend. Blending just means a soft mix of tonal values where you create a smooth transition from light to dark areas. There should be no lines and everything fades into each other, and it's very soft. You could call it smudging, as smudging can be involved. If you are into the blending side of pencil, and I'm a bit biased because I definitely enjoy blending, you can also introduce charcoal. Now charcoal is a really good blending media, so I'm just going to blend a bit of this charcoal into this paper there, and then I can blend pencil . I hope you found that interesting and inspiring. And I wanted to make this video because I think there's a whole lot more to pencil than perhaps we first thought. I know that when I learned about pencil, I very much associated it with school and college, where it was just line drawings or shading with a pencil. But as I've experimented and got to see more art and learnt more about art, I've realised that the pencil can be combined with other materials and it can be used in many different ways. And I have more ideas on how you can use pencil, and I'm sure more videos to come on that topic. If you have liked this video, please do like and subscribe to the channel if this is your type of content, and I shall see you in the next video.